Welcome on board. Today you come with me taking a picture and have a feel for a traditional Japanese Matsuri. It took place a few weeks ago now, and it was very much a simple neighborhood Matsuri. Definitely not your most famous and well-known across Japan festival, but still I think it will give you a good representation of what a neighborhood Matsuri looks like. That day I took with me my A7IV paired with the Tamron 70-180 and the Ricoh GR3. I like my long focal length to focus on some details, take pictures of people and have some reach, so I opted for that lens. And the Ricoh GR3 in my pocket gave me the possibility to grab a few wider shots here and there. Grab a little snack or a drink, I'll shut up for a while and I hope you'll enjoy the shoot.
그치?
So far on my channel I haven't really done any lens or camera review, but being an owner of the A7IV, this lens, the Tamron 70-180, and a few other lenses, I was wondering if you were interested to have a review on this channel. I can already tell you that it won't be any technical review taking pictures of a brick wall and tell you about the distortion and the vignetting of the lenses, but more like a real-world use review after a long-term usage maybe. So for that lens, the Tamron 70-180, in just one word, I think it's a very good value for money compared to the G Master ones. And you know, I also have the 17-28, also the 28-75. So if you're interested to get my unfiltered opinion on them, let me know in the comments, and I would be really glad to work on that. So as you can see in the footage, at least I hope that I managed to convey this with my videos, but it was very lively and the atmosphere was really good. But one thing you notice quite rapidly is that almost every people still wearing masks here, and that is a little bit of a struggle for a photographer that is really into street photography, which I am. For a lot of people, Japan is a really nice and almost a dream location to do some street photography. On some aspect I really agree with that, but today at the end of 2022 still, with almost every people wearing masks, it is a quite difficult place to get some really candid portrait with people showing their expressions. Now that the borders are open, people coming here with the hope of doing a lot of street photography will have to rethink their approach, I think. But still, street photography is not only about taking pictures of people. I'm really an advocate of saying that street photography is pretty much any photo that you can take in a city. It can be a cityscape, or it can be just a nice street with one subject that is not really taking a lot of space, so it could be masked or not, it won't change that much. But yeah, I'm not complaining, it is still a lot of fun to shoot here, and it pushes yourself into some other direction, and it expands the possibilities in the end, like you maybe try something new, which in itself is something really good, I think. That said, I hope it will get better as soon as possible, but I'm afraid it will take some time. But anyway, I'll be patient. So I hope you liked the video and that I managed to really convey this atmosphere, the feelings of going to a Japanese Matsuri throughout my footage. As usual, all the pictures have been edited with my presets as a starting point, with just minor tweaks here and there. So if you're interested in them, have a look at the first link in the description. And I think we are done. So I look forward to meet you in the next one. Bye.